Hello. In this video, I'll talk about one of the common issue which is faced in the Excel sheet when we are doing the sum of entries, but the sum that comes up is showing as zero. The format is fine, the formula is fine, everything, but why is this issue being faced? And the clear reason is that all these entries are in the text format. Now, even if we change it to the number format, still the answer, that is the sum, remains the same. In that case, the simple and straightforward solution to this is just add another parameter by the name of number value. Once it is done, close it with a bracket and the actual answer, which is the sum of all these values, is 67. That's what we can see here. Hope this video of resolving the sum issue is helpful. Thank you.